Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I will try to take some trades and I will explain each and every single trade. Hopefully we can hit 40k. And these are my first two trades. Basically we are inside of this ranging market. Potential movement of this chart is toward the next supply somewhere up here. But now we just in the ranging market, so we're just going to keep going in the direction of the market. In this case we are coming down, and you see this gap up as a confirmation for us, and there's a QM setup down here. If the price comes down, I will take that QM setup as well. Let's just let this trade close, and then I will explain the QM setup. All right, this is the QM setup. You know, this is not a high quality QM because the shadows are coming down. It's kind of this kind of movement. The perfect QM setup looks like this, okay? And the shadows shouldn't exceed this. But in this case, it does. So I would say this is not a perfect QM, but we have higher time frame engulfing candle. Then go back to 1 minute. And now we should look for entry for this QM. Go to the lower time frame step by step until, yes, now we see the entry, and this is the entry. There we go. All right. Now, if the price comes down here, it will have a reaction from it. Also, in line with the market structure. This is also a ranging market, big rejections. So if I take a very good entry on this one, it will be a good trade, even though the QM doesn't look perfect. There's also other opportunities right here, like this one. These two entries are common point of rejection entries, okay? We also have other common point of rejections. Imagine if it comes down, boom, it will reject like that. It will close like this, but unfortunately the price refuses to come down. It would be great if it comes to our entry. All right, it's coming down. Hopefully on the next candle. Let me just check the other pair for now. There's another QM right here. Oh my god, it's going up again. If you want to join the largest trading competition for free and compete for $10,000 prize for the winner, join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. Details will be posted soon. Alright, okay, oh my god, this is a bad entry. Okay, I got two trades right here. My first entry is terrible. But these two entries here is perfect, especially if it has gap up in the favor of sellers. Most likely it will reject, and they will try to close this as a red candle, but they will probably fail because this is a strong candle. And yes, our trade's gonna be winning. All right, look at this one. Imagine if it could reject. Hold on. This is a gap down, right? If it comes down and we take our entry right here, it would go like a crazy green candle because this is a gap down in the favor of buyers. If you're getting gap down, it means that this is a confirmation for buyers, like this one. This candle closes here, the next candle starts with a gap down. It doesn't go gap up. Gap up is in the favor of sellers, like this one. This is a gap up, this is a gap up, this is a gap down, and this is a gap down. So now we are trying to get out of this ranging market, and market will try to go in its original direction. It would be very nice if it was touching this, but it doesn't touch that, so that's fine. Yes, it's trying to go up. I will not go against it anymore. All right, we have been coming down in this small price channel. Eventually it will break it and try to go up. Oh my god, look at this one. Look at this beauty. This is beautiful, man. Let me just mark this. This is a respected resistance area. See, every time price has been rejecting from this resistance, and after this one broken, it left us this rally, base and rally, and this is a very good demand area. This is perfect, right below the where the market broke the resistance. Okay, I will make it blue, and then I will show you a very nice entry. All right, this is a very good supply because it's causing a breakout. It's causing market to decide to break this and create a crazy upward movement. So next time price will react from it 100%. If I go to lower time frame, let's see what we have inside of it. Okay, it's already a good entry, but let's see what we have inside the supply. All right, this is the fresh lower time frame entry for this trade, and the trade would be a winning trade on this candle. The moment it comes to this zone, we would enter and the candle closed right here. And now price is trying to get out of this price channel and it will go up eventually, but I don't see any setup here, so I will not take any trade now. But I know that the market's direction, it's upward. All right, man, I take this trade, but this is not a good trade. Okay, simply because I took it because of market sequence, but simply this is a gap down in the favor of buyers. It can go up like crazy, but in fact, we're breaking this doji, and this is a ranging market. That's why I took this trade. Okay, otherwise I wouldn't take this trade if it was at the middle of the trend or something. And we're already gonna lose this trade. I took it because previously the gap down didn't work. I thought the market sequence also can work here and give us this red candle, but it didn't. That's totally fine. This was a terrible trade, and I know it. Okay, let's go back to next pairs. All right, I'm looking for buys after this candle. It really depends. Oh my god, look at this one. This is a nice breakout trade, this one. And now, this was a good one also, gap up in the favor of sellers. This is, again, a price channel coming down. We can detect some good entry points. Look at this one. I'm waiting for this one to close and the next candles open with a gap down or something, and then my entry will be somewhere down here. I don't like they reject this. No. Okay, it's coming down. Come down. No. This freaking candle, bro. I wanted to close somewhere here and the next candle would come down 100%. Oh my god, man. Let's just move on to the next pair. Okay, I will not take this because it's against the trend. Especially, this is breaking this price channel and eventually will go up. Oh my god, man. The QM gave us the entry and I wasn't on this chart. Look at this. This is the QM that we marked at the beginning of the video, but the price didn't come down. and now the price is here. It played out and it would be a winning trade. Unfortunately, we didn't see this. That's kind of frustrating. Okay, I'm taking this. It's closing exactly at this resistance area. Look at that. Also market sequence. All right. It was a winning trade. All right, I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Do not miss the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.